Hi, welcome to Beauty in the Brow. This is our new studio here in Southwick, Mass. This is our reception area here. This is Maddie, our apprentice here. She's awesome, she just started. Walking through, it's really great. We have a couple different areas. Right here, this is our waiting area where people can hang out and relax before their appointment, before we get going. Over here, we have a couple of different permanent makeup stations. There's going to be a third one added as well because we have a team that's growing. Well, right now, it's just me and my apprentice, but there's a couple other girls that are going to join the team. Over here, we've added a couple different additions to the service menu here at Beauty in the Brow. So right now, this is the spray tan room. So we'll be offering spray tans to all the people that want to glow. And over here, this is going to be our esthetician room. We're going to be offering full body waxing and lash services and all things beauty related. And then we have our fun little beverage area where people can come and have a coffee, water, seltzer, anything at all to make the experience more relaxing.